The Boy and the Truck. It happened on a beautiful sunny day. Mr. Mario, an old truck driver, arrived home after 20 long years of work and, very proud, called his wife to see his beautiful truck, the first one he had managed to buy after all those years of struggle and suffocate, and from that day on, he would be his own boss. When he arrives at the door of his house with his wife, he finds his 6-year-old son, happily hammering on the shiny truck's bodywork. Angry, screaming, he asks what his son was doing and, without hesitation, in the midst of his fury, mercilessly hammers his son's hands, who starts crying without understanding what he was feeling. The truck driver's wife runs to help her son, but there is little she can do. It was late. Crying with her son manages to bring her husband back to reality, and together they take him to the hospital to bandage the wounds caused. After several hours of surgery, the disconsolate doctor, quite dejected, calls the parents and informs them that the lacerations were so extensive that all the child's fingers had to be amputated, but that the boy was very strong and had resisted. Well, to the Emergency Act, parents should wait for him to wake up in the room. Upon waking up, the boy was all smiles and said to his father, "Daddy, I'm sorry, I just wanted to fix your truck like you taught me the other day. Do not be mad with me." The tender father, deeply moved, said that it didn't matter anymore, that he wasn't even angry anymore, and that he hadn't damaged the bodywork of his truck. The boy, with radiant eyes, full of joy, asked, "You mean you're not mad at me anymore?" "No," replied the father. "If I'm forgiven, Daddy, when will my little fingers grow again?" Despite being strong, this story has a very real context, because at the moment of impetus, at the moment of anger, we deeply hurt those we love, and many times, even with regret, we can no longer cure the wounds we left. I hope that once you have finished reading this message you will be as impressed as I was. But it is not to simply process emotions.